Good morning, wonderful students. We are going to be doing some writer's workshop. Now, I made a poster of all the things that we've been learning how to add to our how-to books. So, it says adding to our how-to books. Something that we've learned is that we have a title that tells what the book is about. We also know that we need pictures to teach. We also learned last week that you can have a list of things that you need for your how-to book. And the last time we did Writer's Workshop, we talked about adding warnings or tips. Now, today what I want to teach you is something else that you can add to your how-to books to make them even better. I know, seems hard since they're already so good. But today I want to teach you that something writers do when they are writing how-to books is that they make comparisons. Now, can you say comparison? A comparison is when you say something is like something else. So I want to show you a book that I wrote called How to Cartwheel. And I want you to notice if you hear any comparisons as I read my story. How to Cartwheel. Step 1. Put your arms up in the air like a letter Y. Now, right here is a comparison. When you make a comparison, you say the word like. So right here I said, put your arms up in the air like a letter Y. That's already a comparison. Now, let's see step 2. Oops, they're out of order. Lift one foot like a flamingo. Do you notice the comparison on this page? Can you say what the comparison was? Our comparison on this page was like a flamingo. When you give your reader a comparison, it lets them know what they should be picturing in their brain before they do it. If you just say lift your arms up, maybe they'll go like this. But if they see that you said like a letter Y, then they know they need to put their arms up like this. And if you tell them to balance on one leg, they might say, what? What does that mean? But if you tell them like a flamingo, then they might understand even better. Okay, so that's step 2. Step 3. Put your opposite arm on the ground. Step 4, push yourself over and land on your other leg. Now, in this book, I have 2 comparisons. I said, put your arms up like a letter Y and stand on one foot like a flamingo. Those were my comparisons. Now, today I want you to try to add at least one comparison. So say something is like something else to your reader to give them an even better idea of what they're supposed to be doing. So if you're saying you want to teach someone how to play Bakugan, you can say, throw your Bakugan down like a ball. Or if you're writing about how to bake cookies, you can say, stir up the dough like it's a pot of soup. Something like that. So that's what I want you to be working on today, adding comparisons to your work. Okay, I can't wait to hear what you guys write. I'll check in later. Bye, have fun writing.